Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, everyone. We'll just wait 2 more minutes before we begin. Just 1 more minute, everyone. Okay, so let's begin. So welcome everyone to the Meteor Hackathon Award Ceremony. Once again, I am Kevin. I am the marketing coordinator here at Meteor. So we hope you guys had a lot of fun. You got to network, socialize, and also hopefully you learned a lot along the way. So let's give yourselves a big round of applause for your hard work and dedication. Okay, so what we're actually going to do here is actually have the top 3 teams present one more time. So before we dive into the presentations, I just want to go over the judgment criteria. As you can see on the slides, there are about 8 categories. So we looked at the quality of code, your design, your presentation. Is it impactful? Is it helpful? Is it realistic? Is it usable? And lastly, is it deployable? So let's get right into it. So the top 3 teams in no particular order are Suaveware, HACCamino, and COKOA. Congratulations to these top 3 teams. All right, so let's begin the presentations. So we'll start with Suaveware. So let me just stop sharing for 1 second and let me pull up the video. Just bear with me. Share computer sound. Okay, so this first team is Suaveware.
Hi, my name is Luis. Julia and I are the team Suaveware, and we came here to blow your minds. Hopefully. By the way, the following video is based on a real story. Excuse me, Professor. Yes, how can I help you? You mentioned in your class pointers. I was really interested in that. Where can I learn more about it? Well, you know the name, pointers. Google it. Oh, I see. Wait, I'm just kidding. Let me show you something. This is the Arvory for computer science. Arvory? What's that about? Well, it's just a place where you put content to help students like you get started or deepen their knowledge on some subject. This is a course from the second semester, so let's go there. Voila! Algorithms and data structures. Wait a second. What? What's wrong? Why do we have French on computer science? Mais si, c'est très important. Le français est la langue de science. What? Well, anyway, algorithms and data structures. Let's go there. You said you wanted to know more about pointers, please. Yeah. Pointers, here. We have a list of more subjects you can go into, and the third one is pointers. Let's get into it. Now you see, here you have a list of stuff only about pointers. All this was added here by students and professors like you and me. And I do recommend the first one with all those votes here. Just click on the link and you'll be redirected to the video. Like, this is one of the best stuff I've ever watched about pointers. Professor Richard Buckland did a great job here. Anyway, let's go back to Arvory. So I see a little heart in there. Can I like content? Yes, you can just click on it. And of course, you need to be logged in. So let's create an account for you. Alright, type in your email and your password. I'm not looking. and you get redirected to the home page. Well, sometimes the developers get quite lazy, if you know what I mean. Oh, don't get me started. Super lazy. Let's go back to pointers, shall we? And now that you have an account, you can contribute with more content. Just click add content, and I can add anything I want. Well, anything, yeah. Let's see. Pudding.com. Well, now that you added it, it's last on the list. It's probably not going past moderation though. It doesn't show that I am the one who added it. Nope, lazy developers. Yeah, I figured it this time. Cool, right? Don't forget that at any time you can come here and learn more about any of those subjects. Wait. What's that highly voted content right there? MIT stuff on algorithms and data structures? And it has over 1,000 likes? Yeah, and it's all free actually. MIT have a lot of content out there and a lot of stuff on computer science. Wait, the actual MIT? Yeah, look, let's go to the Spring 2020 Introduction to Algorithms course. Wait a sec. If we have all of this for free, why do we have to come and watch our shitty classes? Well, you listen here, little prick. Alright, I just want to say that we are not lazy at all, alright? We worked really hard on this. So hold your comments, little stuffed animal, for when you're actually graduated in computer science, okay? Anyway, now let's see some admin features. I am now logged as an admin, and because of that I can add root subjects to curriculums like computer science, for example. I can even say that it's supposed to be on the second semester as a group. And if I go to the second semester, it's here, example. If I go there, I can edit it and even add a description or change the group. Now I want it to be on the first semester. Save. If I go back there, it's here, example 2. But I don't like it, so I'm gonna delete it. With the admin account, you can already build the entire subject tree and use the product. I think it's minimally usable. Minimally usable. So that's what we have to show you. Thank you. Of course, we can themes. A lot of cool themes, and we can reorder stuff there, but you saw that already. Anyway, bye-bye.
Awesome. So thank you, Suaveware. Unfortunately, they weren't able to present live, but they provided that video, which was great. Great use of very creative with the stuffed animals. So the next team to present is HACCamino. So please raise your hand and I'll give you panelists. All right, just give me 1 second. All right.
Hello, could you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just share my screen. Is it sharing?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Anna, you want to take it away?
Yes. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Anna, and I am working with Jerome, Daphne, Michael, and Timothy, and we're all students at University of Hawaii. And we created HACCamino. HACCamino is a web application designed to help communities team together to educate and address real threats to our ecosystems and increase environmental awareness among the public. Our application's goal is to build a community, host and attend events, connect with people through forums, and accumulate points for participating. Registered users will be notified through real-time notifications and can view their notifications when they are signed in on the application. For new users to sign up, the user will be prompted with a form that asks for your first name, last name, email address, password, zip code, and a short bio about themselves. The zip code will connect them to their local community in the app. For registered users to log in, the user will be prompted to enter their email and password, which then redirects them to their profile.
So on the profile page, they are able to customize their information. They can also upload a photo. Okay, so when we're talking about points, you can open up the points tab. It shows all the ways that they can earn points throughout their app or throughout the thing. To verify the points, they will get a code from the event admin, and once they enter it, oh, actually we used that key already. They'll get their points for doing that. On this page, the users can also look at their past events and current events that they plan on going to.
Now to create an event, you can go to the add event page. And here's where you have to fill out the title, type of event, so either workshop or cleanup, date, including start time and end time, as well as your name, contact email, and a short description about your event. Right, and for location, you just type in the address. You can also search up your location. So for all events, you must have a marker, and you can just like click on it to add a marker. So on top of an address, having a marker helps other users indicate where they're going to meet up at a specific location. This can help with safety and confusion for new users. So maybe if you haven't been to that area, so it gives more information about how to meet the event organizer. So I can hit submit. And once you submit an event, you can go to the events page and click on own events. Now, as an owner, you have the ability to edit and delete your event. However, right now it hasn't been approved, so it's not showing up in the public pages. Admins will have to review the event to either decline or approve of it. So right now we're going to go to the admin account and go to approve events. And you can see that there is a review button. So as admin, you can review the event and change the status. So you can say approve, as well as add a feedback to communicate with the creator of the event. And you can see on the left side, there's a notification saying that the event has been changed, meaning that the admin reviewed it. And you can see below, the status and feedback is also updated. As well as you gain 200 points when you create an event and being approved, as mentioned before. So going back to the events page, you can filter by only cleanups and only events as well, or only workshops. So if you scroll down, you can see the event that you just created, as well as the status and feedback, meaning that you're the owner of the event. And scrolling back up, you can see there's a Google map that presents the different events around the island. Orange markers are workshops, yellow markers are cleanups, and red markers are reports, which we'll go over later on. You can click on the different markers to learn more information about them, as well as join and leave events. Google Maps API comes with additional features similar to the regular Google Maps, where users can change how they view the map. And they can use the person icon to view the surroundings of the event. Now, this promotes safety as well and lessens confusion when trying to participate for the first time. You can also plan ahead before going to the event, such as where to park and what things to bring. All right, and then let's switch to a different account. We can use a default user account called Janet Fu, and show the interaction between joining and leaving events. All right, so you can go to view events and go to the event that we just created. So once you join, you can see that the participation goes up, as well as on the left side, the owner of the event gets a notification. Now you can also leave events as well. And you can see the changes has been reverted.
Hi. So on top of creating events, user can also report trash or assistance. Similar to adding events, users will also need a title, description, and the location. And they can also pin the location on the Google Maps. Oh, and then they can also upload a photo of the trash that they wanted to report. After hitting submit, you can go back to the events page. And as you can see, there's a new marker added that shows up in red. Users can click on that marker and then view the report and have the option to adopt the cleanup. This creates a cycle in the community where users can report trash, assistance, and other users can adopt the site and gather help and help the community. This is very helpful also in natural disasters, where having an organized platform like this can gather people to specific areas of need and gain more information about the surroundings. Another key feature in HACCamino is the user's ability to communicate with other registered users through forums. To create a forum, users can click on the tab that will redirect them to fill out the title, the content, and some tags. Once they click submit, they can view all the forums back to the forum page within the community, and they can also respond. Here, we're going to use another account called Janet Fu to respond to the newly created post. As you can see, they got notified for a reply, and when you refresh the page, you can see the new reply. Additionally, past notifications while they're offline and they're online can also be seen when they click on the bell button next to the nav bar. So you can, those are all the past and the new notifications they got from when they were offline and then now that they're online. Another interesting feature that we have are the clickable profiles to learn more about the different registered users. To ensure that the forms are safe and appropriate, in the future, we're planning to add a delete function where the admin user has the power to delete any post.
All right. Lastly, let's move on to the resources page. Users can view and visit helpful links and nonprofit organizations around their area. Users are able to learn more about these organizations and try to find what best fits their interest. Currently, this is under some construction, and in the future, we are planning to make it where admin users in different parts of the world have the ability to add and recommend nonprofit organizations around their area.
For this hackathon, our main focus was Hawaii. However, this application would be useful in any other location that organizations may not have set up yet. There will be the same functionality, but different locations and different people running the site. With the Google Maps API, you can change the focus location in a matter of minutes. Our vision is to have multiple instances of this application running at the same time and hopefully build many communities along the way. We hope that eco-community helps the community come together to build a better environment for us all. Thank you for your time and this opportunity.
Awesome. Thank you, Team HACCamino. It was a great presentation. So we're not going to be asking, any questions. We'll be moving on to the next team, which is Team COKOA. So thank you guys once again. Team COKOA, please raise your hand. Okay, I think there's only one person that raised their hand.
Oh, yeah, I'm the only one who's presenting today.
Okay.
Yeah, they're
Awesome.
here, but I'm gonna be presenting today about Team COKOA. So my name is Young, and we are Team COKOA. The name of the COKOA is from one syllable from coronavirus and another syllable from the Hawaiian language warrior, which is koa. So together it means coronavirus warriors. We want to fight this coronavirus together in safe way. Today, we would like to introduce our web application, the COKOA. Let me quickly share my screen. Can everyone, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the main page. You can click this sign up button here, and you can choose whatever you want to put. I'm gonna put young4hawaii.edu, my email and password, and submit. And then in this web application, we would like to focus on simplicity, how they can publish and approve their joining people. Here, I'm gonna create one event titled Children's Day. And start date, I'm gonna put today at 12 p.m. And the end date, tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, PM. And location, Waikiki. And you can choose 3 options from cost, how costly it is, cheap, cheaper, cheap, pricey maybe. And description, let's hang out. And you can choose to upload image. This is optional. So if you don't have image, it will be default image. But I'm gonna choose image from here, Keiki Day. And you can submit. Oops, there we go. And you can go to my events. Then you will see your post and details. And you can choose to edit or delete. It's basically same components, the edit page. And I'm gonna leave it as it is for now. And you can go to all events, then people can come in, join to our webpage, and they can check in whether they want to participate to the event or not. Here, a Keiki Day. Oh, someone already made it. You can choose overall mood. And if you're vaccinated, choose you're vaccinated. If you're not vaccinated, admin might not able to approve your attending. It's totally depending on them. But I'm gonna choose fully vaccinated. Hi. And here you can choose to upload your vaccination card. And I'm gonna put my vaccination card here and submit. From this page, you actually have to go to admin to see their comments and approve them. I'm gonna quickly change to an admin account. The admin email is admin@foo.com and password is change me. If you would like to try this out, you need the password and ID. And in this page, you can see the admin page is created, and see from here, you can see all the comments and their vaccination card. And oh, this person is vaccinated, then I'll approve this person. From there, you can see, you can go back to all events and you can see that this person has been approved. So I feel safe to go there, and maybe I'm gonna check in again. Some other person might check in again. And the another feature of admin page is that they can choose to give admin role. I just create my account here, so you can see that you can see my young.hawaii.edu, and I'm gonna make myself admin. And then I'm gonna go back to my account. And you can see there is admin page, and you can also approve and disapprove person from here. And I'm gonna actually delete this event, but this admin doesn't have any privilege to give another admin. So you may need the super admin account, which is admin@foo.com. Yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Thank you, Team COKOA. Also very creative name, team name. And yeah, so thank you. Let's dive right into the prizes now. So let me share my screen once again. Okay. So the third prize, just over the summary over here, is $1,200 and 50% off ScaleGrid for the first 6 months. You get a blog post, a social campaign, as well as a certificate of appreciation. And the third prize goes to Team COKOA. So Team COKOA, congratulations. You are the third place. All right, now to the second prize. Second prize is $1,500 and 50% off ScaleGrid for the first 6 months, a social campaign, a blog post, and as well as a certificate of appreciation. And that goes to Team Suaveware. So congratulations, Team Suaveware. And of course, the first prize goes to Team HACCamino. So you guys won a whopping $5,000 value, 4 hours in call with Meteor Core. With the Meteor Core team, 50% off ScaleGrid for the first 12 months. You get a campaign shout out to over our 160K subscribers. Your project featured on our Meteor Showcase page for about a month, a blog post, and as well as a certificate of excellence. So congratulations, everyone. We'll be reaching out to the top 3 teams in early November. Okay, so that pretty much concludes the award ceremony. And as a reminder, there'll be prizes as well for all participants. So not to worry. So you'll receive a limited edition Meteor swag if you filled out the shipping address field in the form, and you'll also receive a certificate of participation, as well as Galaxy credits so that you can use that to host your app on Meteor Cloud. So thank you all for being a great audience today and bringing your enthusiasm to the event. And lastly, I just want to thank our sponsors again, AG Data, ScaleGrid, Pathable, and Vasco. And actually a shout out as well to my team, Felipe, Elise, Denelson, Renan, and Jan. Thank you guys. And also take care, everyone. Be safe. Good luck with your future endeavors. And we hope to see you again next time. Thank you so much. Bye now.